Listen to you talking about your purpose. It is evident that much of the work you do in nursing is focused or directed to your purpose or at your purpose.
Absolutely.
Would you say that your desire to become a nurse, was that a function of you understanding what your purpose is, or did you discover your purpose while you became?
That's a very good question, because when I chose to go into nursing, it was very simple. I'm in high school and I'm deciding what I want to do. And I know what I wasn't good at, and I know what I was good at. And so I know, I know when I like social sciences and I like some sciences, right? I didn't like anything to do with business or anything like that. And so I focused and different career choices in healthcare. So nursing, I wasn't as a child dreaming about becoming a nurse. No, in fact, I did not like hospitals. I did not want to go in. It's just freaky. So, because, it's just a sad place. But I did the work in kind of, elimination and all that kind of stuff. So to answer your question, I accidentally bumped into nursing. And nursing was not something that I think that I was born to do. It came. I realized later that I can't imagine myself doing anything else.
And yet, so you accidentally
I absolutely
found
did.
nursing. So I guess one could say, true nursing, you had a collision with your purpose.
Absolutely. Well said. Well said.
How appropriate, huh?
Very appropriate.